Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got 2017 Volkswagen Jetta 1.4 Turbo, doing some spark plugs. Not that big of a problem. Alright, we got this little tube right here you're going to have to take off. Got a clamp here, and then this end to pull up, this end to pull out. 10, 10, 10, 10. These two are studs, so be careful when you take these two 10s off right here, especially if they haven't been off before. The cables will rotate, so I got a pair of pliers that's stuck here and here. So I can take 10 off, take off these ground cables, and then you take these two studs out. We'll need a deep 10 millimeter in order to get those out. The spark plug socket would be a 5/8, pretty standard. The spark plugs will look definitely odd, so these definitely needed to have been in there a while. They're going to have different kind of electrode on top, but if advisable, get Bosch. Bosch is OEM. This is where's the part number for this one? This should be the part number right there. So this is the one you want to get OEM back in there, less problems, designed specifically for the car. Any questions, comments, please feel free to let me know. Oh, FYI, little connectors right here, kind of a pain in the butt. Got to squeeze them, may have to use a pair of pliers or needle nose in order to squeeze them tight enough in order to take them off. They are a bit of a pain in the butt. Please feel free to let me know. Questions, comments.